Hey, hope you're doing well. This is Edgar from Solo Marketer, and today we're going to talk about coupons. More specifically, how to add a coupon in System.io. So yeah, there's going to be two things I want to show you: how to create one and how to actually use it, how to make sure that they have the option of using it. So I'm assuming you have the funnel already, sales page, the products, everything is like connected and has a price point. So this is like the specific problem that you're, looking for a solution. So yeah, I have the funnel. Let's go to the sales page. And now what you want to do is scroll down. See, you have it's connected to the course and it has the price plan and all that. It's a $97 product. Let's keep that in mind. And let's create the coupon. So let's create one from scratch. If you've created it already, obviously you can just pick one, but yeah, create a new one. And in the free account, you have I think the limit was 1. So I'm just showing you this on a free account so you can see that it's possible. I think for like paid accounts, there's like different limits, but yeah, for this one, let's just create our one and only coupon. So I have it pre-filled already. Discount type, fixed amount. So this is the name in the back end for you. This is the coupon code that you're gonna give people, and they're gonna fill it into the specific field. And I usually do fixed amounts. I don't know why, for whatever reason, at least when I did it back in the day. When I did percentage, I couldn't do 100. But if I wanted to do a test purchase, which is how I'm gonna do it now, I want to do a fixed amount. If it's a $97 product, it's going to be a $97 discount. So for a test purchase, I just want to see if, let's say that the page has been just set up, connected, everything. Even if I've done 100 in the past, 100 of these, I always want to test it. And just to see if everything works and if everything gets delivered. That always needs to be done, just so you know. So this is what I'm creating now, like a 100% discount. Only it's not a percentage, it's a fixed amount. So let's do that. Expiration, if it's like a flash sale or something, for the next 2 days you can get this discount. Limit of use, the only one I can think of right now is, let's say you promise someone individually for like a $2,000 course, you promise them like a 50% discount that you don't give anyone else. And you give them like their own unique coupon, and they can use it only once. They can't give it out to their friends and whatnot, because others have to pay more for whatever reason, right? That's the first thing I could think of. Whatever your reason might be, but I always keep this blank, so by default. Let's save it. So it's test 97. We have to remember that. And let's go to the page. I think mine already has the field, so I'm going to show you what it looks like, right? So it needs to be, I usually put it under the credit card details. Here it is already. Usually by default, if you use systems like default, forms or whatever, it's not in there. So let's assume it's just, there's no field that they can put the code in. So let's go to edit page. Yeah, that's the most likely scenario. Let's go to edit page. Let's just delete it. No, let's delete the whole thing. So now you need to put in the coupon code, right? The field. So let's go down to, on the left side. See over here under payment, coupon. You just drag it under the credit card details. And that's it. Save. I'm just going to refresh the page to make sure that it's there. It is there. So once I put in all the information, everything, I do test 97. See now, it's like not just 97, there's the VAT as well. But so I'm going to apply the $97 discount. It's going to be apply. See, it applied $97 to the product price. 97 discount. That means I'm paying 0. So now I can go process the payment, right? And then I can see whether everything got delivered, whether the course got delivered, and whatever else is supposed to be there, welcome email and all that stuff. So definitely do this for test purchases. And if it's like a different type of discount, 30%, whatever, you saw the options, so you can do those. And yeah, so that should be pretty simple. That should be it. If you have any questions on coupons or anything system related, tech stuff, especially how to do this, how to do that, some issues you have, comment below. I'll try to either respond within the comment, or I'll try to create a video if there's like a big enough demand. Several people have the same, problem. They don't know how to create a landing page or whatever. Just comment below. I'll try to create a video and post it on the channel. And yeah, and with that, I guess I'll see you some other time. Bye.